YouTube, man. What's good with y'all, man? Hey, before we get into this video, man, I'm gonna need y'all to drop a like on this video, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna have to fight. Yes, I'm talking to you, bro. We gonna have to fight, bro, because a lot of y'all be watching my videos. Y'all be watching them, but don't drop a like, man. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video. That's the only way we gonna grow, man. Shout out to everybody who is dropping a like. I rock with you. Simple as that. But anyway, man, also don't forget to hit that sub button and turn that noti bell on to be a part of the family, bro. Get all my notifications when I drop, upload, anything, bro. Stream anything, bro. So make sure y'all subscribe. But today, y'all, ain't gonna lie, this ain't no action-packed video. Today, y'all, I'm just gonna be giving y'all my top 5 mods for the Chrysler 300. You feel me? We ain't gonna talk about interior mods, engine mods. We gonna basically just talk about like exterior mods, like the, you know what I'm saying, the look of the car. You know what I'm saying? The top 5 best, you know what I'm saying, not the priciest, you know what I'm saying, mods to make your Chrysler look tough as hell, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's hot as the demon coochie, man, but let me show y'all the Chrysler 300. I haven't did nothing since I painted the red calipers, you know what I'm saying? That was the last mod I did to the car, but everything else, you know what I'm saying, is the same for real. I need to get that SRT grill badge. I'm gonna get an SRT grill badge in the front. That's gonna be hard as hell, but let me just give y'all a rundown of the Chrysler 300. Nothing changed, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Everything looked the same, you know what I'm saying? But today, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all my top 5 mods for the Chrysler 300. Simple as that, man. So let's get into it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, some of these are cheap, some of these are very expensive, but you know what I'm saying? It's a car. You know what I'm saying? Don't put no cheap stuff on your car, bro. It's gonna break quick, you know what I'm saying? Unless it's like these lights or something, bro. But speaking about the lights, bro, I ain't gonna lie, that's the first thing we gonna talk about, bro. These side marker lights right here, man, they white. I know y'all seen me like slide or something. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna insert the video. But y'all see these white lights is tough as hell. I ain't gonna lie, I got these for $30 for all 4. I think they like 50 now. I think I got it on the sale, bro. But they was $30, bro. That's probably my number 1 mod we're gonna talk about. It's cheap as hell and it make your car look crazy. So if you got a Chrysler, bro, get you some white side markers, bro. White side markers is gonna make this thing pop at nighttime, bro. At daytime, you can't see it, but at nighttime, y'all already seen the video. The shit tough as hell, bro. So that's my number 1 favorite mod for the car, and it's actually the cheapest mod I got on the car. It's $30, bro, and it make your car pop like crazy. So you can go on Amazon, just type in like whatever Chrysler year you got, what type of Chrysler you got, and type just side markers on Amazon, and it should pop up. They white, you know what I'm saying? Some people, I seen one dude, he had some green lights. That shit was crazy as hell, but the white lights look the best. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now the next mod we gonna talk about, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, it's the biggest mod, one of the biggest mods we got, the hood, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got the Viper Chrysler hood. God. The fuck going on? But anyway, like I said, the Viper hood, man, you know what I'm saying? We got that thing wrapped a little bit. The wrap ain't perfect, but we did the best we could with all these divots and stuff, bro. But the Viper hood makes your Chrysler look crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I think you only can get a Viper hood if you got a 2015 or up Chrysler 300, bro. Quote me if I'm wrong, bro. Let me know in the comments right now if you can get a Viper hood on like a 2012 and back, you feel me? Like a C on the C's, or you know what I'm saying, the straight 8s or something like that. Can you get a Viper hood? I've never seen a Viper hood on the straight 8. Y'all let me know in the comments. But this hood, y'all, this hood ran me about like 900, and then I got it painted white, you know what I'm saying? That was like an extra like 200. My boy Kid hooked me up with that, but then we wrapped it for like 180. But I ain't gonna lie, just to paint it and you know what I'm saying, buying it, you gonna spend about a band, at least a band, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's a Viper hood, but it make your car look crazy. It make your car look better than any stock Chrysler hood, you feel me? That thing look aggressive as hell. Get an SRT look, you know what I'm saying? It look clean as hell, bro. And I love all the divots. I love the 7 divots, you know what I'm saying? 1 in the middle, 3 on both sides, you feel me? That thing clean as hell. But yeah, this is a very expensive mod right here. You can't get a cheap mod, bro. Please, if you out there, please don't buy no cheap ass hood, bro. Please, bro. Your shit gonna break or something. It's not gonna line right, and it's gonna look nasty, bro. So I got my hood from AmeriHood.com. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna drop everything in the description where I got it from. I got it from AmeriHood.com. And the best time to buy hoods and stuff like that, bro, is like holidays. So like, you know what I'm saying, like Black Friday or like Christmas or something. They be having deals. I got like 20% off. And so it costs like a band, but I got it for like 800, bro. So wait till like Christmas time, like I said, to buy the hood. or buy anything expensive and you're gonna be straight, no bull. So now, y'all, we finna go to the back of the, you know what I'm saying? We about to go to the booty of the Chrysler 300, you feel me? Gotta go to the booty. I ain't gonna lie, this is not a mod. This ain't gonna count on one of the mods, but I ain't gonna lie, de-badging. I like the Chrysler without the badge, you feel me? That's just me. That's my personal opinion. I don't like all the emblems in the back. I'm gonna get a 300 dog emblem. Y'all see the dog on the side? I'm gonna get 300. And then the dog connected to it. I'm gonna just put that right here. But I don't like the original Chrysler emblems or nothing like that, bro. But that's not even a mod, bro. That's just a D-badge, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm over here dying, bro. Why that sun beaming like that, bro? I'm sweating, bro. Hey, y'all better drop a like, bro. I'm dead ass. Look at my arm, bro. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. But anyway, man, we on the booty of the car, the big booty Chrysler 300. I just wanna But anyway, man, y'all see we got the diffuser, we got the 5-inch tips, you know what I'm saying? These gonna count as two. You gotta get you a diffuser. The back of these Chrysler 300s look nasty as hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna put a picture right here. Y'all see that shit nasty, bro. So you gotta get a diffuser, bro. The stock diffusers are nasty as hell. They do not look aggressive. You gotta get you a carbon fiber, you know what I'm saying, diffuser. You can get this, I got this on eBay. Just type, like I said, type your car name, your car year, and type diffuser, carbon fiber diffuser. I think I got this for like $150, I think. I had to buy another one. Somebody hit me in the back, pause. And I had to, if y'all watch my video, somebody bumped me in the back, bro. So I had to buy another diffuser because they cracked it. Thank God that was all they broke, bro. But they sent me the money for it. But yeah, it's like $150 for the carbon fiber diffuser. Then we got these big ass 5-inch tips. You know what I'm saying? My whole fist can fit in that motherfucker, bro. You feel me? 5-inch tips carbon. You know what I'm saying? Carbon exhaust. I think I got both of these tips for $200. I think they was on sale. I think they go for $250 on Amazon. I got both. No, I got the diffuser on eBay. I got the 5-inch tips on Amazon. Just type carbon 5-inch tips on Amazon. I think they run like $250 right now, unless they still got that sale. But this make your car look aggressive as hell, 5-inch tips, and it make your car loud as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to you. It get that hollow noise and make your shit sound deeper and more aggressive, bro. Definitely mods to get, bro, on your Chrysler, bro. But yeah, like I said, the diffuser was about $150, and both tips I got for $200, but I think they run for $250 now, bro. But yeah, that's all you really need to do on the back of the car. You know what I'm saying? Just change your diffuser and change your tips, and you Gucci. Because them rectangle tips you get from the stock Chrysler 300, nasty as hell. So I think that's about 4 miles. We talked about the hood. We talked about the side markers. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the side markers are cheapest. Now, I ain't gonna lie, we're about to do another expensive one, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? What you got to do to a Chrysler 300 when you get it, bro. You got to get you some 5-spoke rims, man. Got to get you some 5-spoke rims, bro. It's the only way to go when you got a freaking Chrysler, bro. 5 spokes don't look as good on like a Chargers and Challengers. They look way better on the Chrysler, bro. So you got to get you some 5-inch tips. My stupid ass, you got to get you some 5-spoke rims. I think I got these rims for $1,100, bro. I got these rims for $1,100. At one of my tire shop, my local tire shops. They were selling rims and they have some 5-spokes in stock. So I got me some 5-spoke Hellcat rims, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get you these on the Chrysler 300. These, I ain't gonna lie, don't get no cheap ones, y'all. Do not get no cheap ones. You gonna spend at least $800, depending where you get them from. If you get the replicas, if you get the real ones, you gonna at least spend $800. Don't spend less than $800 because you're gonna get some very cheap rims. They're gonna bend, they're gonna break. Don't do that, bro. Get you some. Make sure you spend some big good money on your hood and your rims at least, bro. You got to, bro. Got to get you some 5-spoke rims, bro. It make your Chrysler look way tougher, bro. I mean, the stock rims cool too, but the 5-spokes go crazy. But really, that's all you got to do to the Chrysler, bro. You only got to really do 5 mods, bro. Change your hood. You know what I'm saying? You don't got to change your side markers. I like the side marker. I like the white at night. Y'all seen the video. That shit look clean as hell, especially with the white, you know what I'm saying, body. With the white lights, look crazy as hell. You gotta get you some 5-spoke rims, you know what I'm saying? Or you can do Hellcat. You can do Hellcat rims if you want to. I've seen a couple people do that. I might actually buy 2 and put 2 Hellcat rims on the front and the back and then keep my 5 spokes in the front. I might do that. I don't know. Y'all let me know if I should do that. I don't know. Y'all, I might get some replica Hellcat rims in the back. We gonna see. I don't know, bro. But you gotta get your 5 spokes, you know what I'm saying? And then you gotta get your carbon tips. You gotta get your carbon tips with your diffuser, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's really all you need. That's 5 mods you need to make your Chrysler look tough. And like I said, do not be cheap. You could be cheap on the tips. You don't have to get carbon tips. You can just get regular tips for like $75 each or something like that. You don't got to get the carbon fiber diffuser. You can get a regular black diffuser for like $100. But when it comes to the rims and the hood, please, like I said, I'm gonna keep saying it, bro. Do not go cheap on your hood and your rims, bro. Your shit gonna look nasty, bro. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the, you know what I'm saying, the Chrysler 300. I just want everybody be asking me what mods you got done to your car and everything like that, bro. So I'm just making a quick video for y'all, you feel me? I hope this helps some of y'all out. I ain't gonna lie, you don't gotta, I ain't gonna lie, I got another mod, you know what I'm saying, my grill, obviously, but that's, you don't gotta change your grill. I low-key miss my old Chrysler grill with the Chrysler emblem, but once I get the SRT badge right here, I ain't gonna miss it. But this is a SRT grill. You can get this off eBay. Like I said, type your car, type your year, and then type grill. Goddamn it, and it's gonna pop up. You feel me? That's an SRT grill. I think this can fit on 2015 and ups Chrysler 300s. But yeah, that's pretty much all the mods I got. You know what I'm saying? I got the dog badge. That don't count as a mod though. That's my shit. You feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, y'all gonna be pissed at me, bro. I'm thinking about changing these calipers another color. I know, I just changed them red, but I don't know, bro. I feel like changing them again. Don't blame me. But shit, man, I hope this helped y'all out, man. You know what I'm saying? If y'all think about getting the Chrysler 300, or if you got a Chrysler 300, you don't know what to do to your car, I'm gonna get you right. You feel me? Simple as that, man. But shit, that's it for today's video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. You know what I'm saying? I hope this helped some of y'all out. I'm gonna put the link in the description of the names, all the shit I just told y'all and everything like that. And y'all, I ain't gonna lie, we hella close to getting monetized, bro. So make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all drop the like button, man. I appreciate all the support y'all be giving your boy. Hey, I love y'all. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. And I'm out this thing, man.